Hi, this is a very quick tutorial to show you the best way to plot a simple out and back route. We'll begin by locating the start. We're going to plot a 4-kilometre route along the River Thames near Windsor. So the first thing I'll do is search for Windsor. Now I'll zoom in to where I want the route to start. I'm going to start it here at this junction of paths. As we're going to follow paths shown on the map, we can turn on the Auto Plot feature and select On Foot. So, we add the first point and then click along the path to plot the outbound section of the route. We've nearly reached the 2-kilometre point now, so we'll turn off the Auto Plot switch and drag the finish marker slightly so that our route measures 2 kilometres exactly. That's the outbound section done. Now plotting the return leg is very easy. We can use the same route back tool in the toolbar. We're asked to confirm how far back we want to retrace our steps by dragging the red selection marker on the map. We have the option of retracing just part way back, but we want to return to the start, so we'll place the marker there. You can see how long the route will be after these changes here. We then just need to click confirm and the return leg will be plotted for us. And that's it. There's our 4-kilometre out and back route along the river.